Hi guys, this is Eartha coming to you live on my wall. It has been just a little minute because I've been working my little booty off. Hi everybody, I am back for a second because I'm super excited to show you something really great that just came in today. I'm so excited. Okay, so first, hold on a second. Got to gloss myself up. And my lips are feeling dry. I'm just like, lip gloss. Okay, you guys, I'm super excited for this brand new product that I've added to my Beauty Graffiti line. So I wanted to give you a little bit of backstory. When I started Beauty Graffiti, it was, I would say probably maybe 5, 6 months ago. And my intention was to make it a movement, a Beauty Graffiti the movement. And what that meant to me, what it means to me is, Beauty Graffiti, the essence of it, if you take away all the la 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 la, what it comes down to is I want to project to you the feeling of being absolutely true to you, 100% you, not being fake for anybody, not trying to live through filters instead of real life. I mean, filters are fun, okay, don't get me wrong, but it's like real life happens and we're here. And so that's the beauty. The beauty is your confidence, your absolute confidence, just to be yourself, whatever that means to you, however that represents or however that manifests in your life. That's the beauty. That's beauty. Then graffiti is absolutely telling the world you're here. I mean, back from the first time you see a scratch on a wall, somebody said, I'm here, here's my story. That is graffiti. And that is your beauty, is your you, and your graffiti says I'm here. So beauty graffiti started for me. That's the heart, the core, everything that I do, all of my passion in my makeup looks, in my art, my canvases, when I paint walls. I'm designing some clothing now, so it's all coming back to beauty graffiti. And the movement of that is something I'm so excited about. You guys, it just came in today. So first, before I show you what it is and tell you about it, I'm gonna say hello because I appreciate you guys jumping on. Hi, Stacy. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Lori. Thank you guys so much for being here. Okay, check this out. I had this idea, and let me tell you the idea first. The idea first came from a Facebook. It was a post, but it was a group of teachers from a school during this past summer. They got together on their own time, and on their own time, their own volunteers, they bought paint and art supplies, and they went and they painted in the girls' restroom. That's the part that I saw. They may have done boys too, but I only saw the one where they did the girls. But on the bathroom, the door stalls facing out, they painted each door with affirmations, and it was just so cool. It was like, Stacy, like the affirmations that you've been posting that are super duper awesome colored and all swirly and cute with art, like they painted each one of those doors with these things. And they said the heart of that was when people go to the bathroom, especially in high schools, maybe they got to go to the bathroom, right? But a lot of times they're feeling down, or they just need a moment, or they're feeling sad, or maybe they just need to cry it out, or maybe just look at themselves in the mirror and just feel, a little bit more put together, whatever the case is. And they felt like at their school that act of artwork on those doors would just kind of just like be a light, in the moment if somebody was having a bad day, or just need that little bit of extra love, you know what I mean? So anyway, I was like, oh, so genius, And I always love the idea of sharing love, and I always post things like, oh, compliment people, show them that tell them that you like their nails, because it feels good for you too. Like, it's not just for them, but you'll light up their day, their world. They'll just be like, oh my God, this was so awesome of you. And they'll think about you all day long, and they'll look at their nails and how you complimented their really cool nails, and they'll be like, ooh. And it feels good to share the love, okay? Especially in a world where everyone's so busy and so into their own thing and so just looking down into their phone. It's really nice to take that moment. Well, let's say you don't have that moment. Let's say you want to be that person, but it's kind of just a little bit out of your comfort zone, but you want to do something. Or let's say you're very outgoing and you just think this would be something cool to do. Guess what I did, you guys? Okay, I'm going to reveal these in a second. I designed affirmation sticky notes that you can actually stick up in anywhere you go. If you're walking by someone's car and you just like, I'm just going to just put this on the window because I think it's just really cool. If you're in a bathroom somewhere, at a grocery store, at a restaurant, and you just pull this out of your purse and just stick it on the mirror before you leave, it's so cool because it's like beauty graffiti, but you're not defacing anything. And you're leaving this really cool message. So check this out. Each one of these sticky note pads has 50 of these. They're all the same on each note, but I made 3 different ones. So let's reveal the green ones. They're so cute. I'm so excited, you guys. Look at this. This says you are valuable and you have purpose. And the hashtag is Beauty Graffiti because I want that to be a movement. I want somebody to say, wow, this is just so cool. So it's a sticky note and there's 50 of them on this pad. They're all the same, okay? So this is, you guys, my heart is just so happy with this. You have no idea that I could add this into what I'm doing in my line. Let's go for the orange one. Are you guys ready? Let's reveal. Oh yes, I posted this up on my wall the other day. It's kind of like a hint. This is you're smart, strong, and more than enough. How many of us need to hear that? If not daily, right? And just to have like, can you imagine just walking into a room and all of a sudden you see that and you're just like, maybe you were thinking, or maybe you were doubting yourself or something. You're like, did I nail that meeting? Was I just, am I enough? Did I just do enough? And you see this and you're just like, oh, you know what I mean? It's kind of like those moments where you just feel like you needed something and it came to you. Some people say that's fate, or they feel like, you know, they were spoken to just through a word, a kind word, or a sticky note they may have seen. This is like those random acts of kindness that you can do that barely cost anything. Because I'm seriously like, dude, each one of these sticky notes comes down to like 16 cents. Like legit. 16 cents to make someone's day 50 times. Like, oh my God. Okay, let's see the blue one. I love this one. Your smile is beautiful. Hashtag Beauty Graffiti. And there's 50 of them. So this just means the world to me. I mean, how often do we just need to smile on our own? How often do we need to how often do we love it when other people smile? You know, we're just like, when you see a happy person, you're just like, oh my God. Like, okay, let's just look at the effect of a smile, even just on a baby. When you walk by a baby and you go, hi, the baby goes, ah, you know what I mean? It's just like smiles are contagious. And so we have the blue one that says, your smile is beautiful. So excited about this, you guys. It just warms my heart that I can add this. This says, you're smart, strong, and more than enough. And the third one says, you are valuable, you have purpose. So these 3 packs of sticky notes is just everything for me right now. Like, I cannot wait to just go around in sticky Sherman Oaks and everywhere I go. So if you guys see one of these, Eartha was probably around there somewhere, unless someone else got some too. And you're like, oh my God, this is crazy, this is awesome. So you guys can share the love, share the smile. I'm so excited to add these to my line. I don't have a website yet, but if you guys want one, just drop a, hey, me, and you can buy one or you can buy all 3. Each one of them is $8. That's like nothing. It's like 16 cents each one because there's 50 of them. And it's going to come with a sticky on top of it. So you'll know you got a brand new one. And so if you wanted to buy one, they're $8 each. If you want to buy all 3, it's 20. So you can like even have a discount on that. So if you guys want these, let me know. It's PayPal. So I can ship them international and you're safe with PayPal. So your mailing address will be on PayPal too. There's no shenanigans. So just let me know what you want and I will send you the link to just PayPal it and I will get these in the mail for you. So I'm so excited, you guys. This means so much to me. You have no idea. So let me hear your comments. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Let me just stop over here and go scroll. Oh, Stacy, she said, I love your message. Yay for Beauty Graffiti. Thank you. Hi, Kimberly. Hi, Evelyn. Thank you guys for being here. Hey, Leanne. Stacy's like, I love this, the idea, the message, and the love. Thank you so much, Stacy. It really means the world to me. You know how with our makeup business, the whole backbone of the makeup business we're in with Unique is to uplift, to empower, and to validate. And that's not just women, that's just people. And by us doing that for others, we in turn feel empowered, we feel uplifted, we feel validated to just give that same thing out. So the way the universe works is like energy. You know, our energy is a magnet. What you do put out there is what you're going to attract. Does that mean you'll always get the good stuff? Or no. But it's a whole lot more good stuff when you're when you're chilling, you know, when you're not trying to be, you know, negative, but when you're trying to be positive, you're really trying so hard through the negative stuff that happens in your life. Like, I'm not over here living in some rainbow land. Like, stress stresses me out too. I just choose not to freak out, although I've had close to freakouts, but I don't want to freak out because I don't want more wrinkles. Thank God for instant listing serum. Hey Lisa, hey Trisha, hi Trisha. Oh, she gave me a heart. Thank you, Trisha, and thank you, Trisha, for my birthday present. Shanji went straight away and started playing with the little pink gems. He loves them, and the welcome sign. So thank you so much, and the cookie. What? Thank you guys, and so I'm super excited. Just give me a shout if you're interested in grabbing your Beauty Graffiti affirmations sticky notes, because these are just, I'm just so excited, you guys. I'm so excited right now. Trisha and Zumba, this just might be in the mirror in our bathroom. I'm just going to leave it. Someone might take it off and keep it just as a reminder to themselves. You never know what kind of change you can make when somebody sees a really cool, kind word just randomly stuck to some mirror, or like maybe even again on their car window. Like, can you imagine that? I mean, it'd be kind of like, oh, you think it's some salesy thing, and all it says is your smile is beautiful. Like, how cool is that? I'd be like, oh. So anyway, you guys take care. Have a great day. Thank you for being with me, and thank you for being on my Beauty Graffiti journey with me. It just really means the world to me to come back to my art. I've used all this. This is all my unique makeup, and this is what I use in my makeup looks. I'm going to do a Q&A live because so many of you are asking me questions privately too. They're like, do you use prosthetics? Do you use other things? What are you only using unique? What do you love about blah, blah, and just where do you find your ideas? So I'm going to do a live Q&A, and that's going to be coming up soon. But definitely be looking for that next crazy makeup look next week. And Rhonda Rumley suggested a great suggestion. So I'm trying to decide between that and another one that just would challenge me to no end. Like, this next one I have in my head is probably going to be my biggest challenge. So I am leaning towards the challenge, and then the next one for the next week, because, oh man, woo, if I can pull this one off, woo, doggies. All right, you guys, have a great night. Stay in touch with me. Send me messages. Let's chat. Let's just share some love too. I mean, if you've got an idea and you just think it'd be awesome for Beauty Graffiti, I would love to hear from you. So I'm super excited, and my leggings will be coming soon. As soon as they're here, I'm going to go live and show you guys the fabric, show you the stitching, show you how the printing is sublimated, so you can decide if you wanted to get yours or not. Because a lot of my friends too in Zumba, they're like, we want those leggings. But then the next question is like, what's the fabric? What's the stitching? You know, will they shrink? And they want to like feel it and touch it, you know. So I'm going to go on live when the leggings come in, and super excited to share. So thank you guys for just being part of my world, and I hope I've been a blessing in your world. And just thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you all. Take care. Have a great night. Give me a shout if you guys want to get your hands on these sticky note affirmations. Okay, take care. Bye.